What's going on, everybody? We're here at ACP Auto Detail Supplies in Chamblee, Georgia, one of our distributors here in the Metro Atlanta area. And Chris Nichols is here to show us around the shop.
What's going on, Brandon?
What's going on, man?
Welcome to ACP Chamblee location. Let's get inside, do the shop tour.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
So, what do you got going on here, man?
Man, welcome to Atlanta, Georgia's detail candy store. We have everything you can imagine to detail a car, from the interior to the exterior, tools, cleaners, degreasers, and we have something in the back that you might like. It's got some KCX branding on it.
All right, yeah.
Now, in this corner, we have yours truly, Koch-Chemie. From the soaps, wheel cleaner, detail spray, liters, 5 liters, anything you imagine. Oh, pads.
Pads. Clay bars.
Clay bars.
Looks great.
As you can see, we have everything you need in the Koch-Chemie line.
Yeah, this looks great, man. You really do got everything here. But what's going on behind the scenes?
There's a lot to show you. Let's go.
Perfect.
Now back here is the back of the warehouse where we have extra storage. Every Friday, we actually have a truck from our Marietta location that supplies the Chamblee location. It's looking a little bare, but if you come right over here, this is a full spot-free deionized water system. We've got 500 gallons where people can come. It's only 10 cents per gallon and get true spot-free water.
That's cool.
Now, Brandon, back here, this is where the magic happens. This is where we do hands-on training from interior detailing to exterior detailing.
Now, do you do that at every location?
No, this is the only location that we offer training. We've got 3 other locations, one at Marietta, Georgia, where we actually have a service department, our main warehouse with over 30,000 square foot. It also has a showroom. We've got another location in Noonan, Georgia. It's a small, intimate shop, about 1,500 square feet. And we also have one in Birmingham, Alabama.
Cool, that sounds awesome, man. Thank you for giving me a tour. If you're in the Metro Atlanta area, be sure to check out ACP Detail Supply, get all your KCX products here.
Or you can shop acpdetail.com, and with orders over $75, you get free shipping.
That's a sick deal, y'all should get on that.